I'm Travis, and welcome to my closet. Today we're going to be reviewing a Coach product. And a little hint, I don't play golf, but I really wanted to get this in my collection anyways. It is the Coach Deco Bridge Geoprint in canvas. It is really lovely. I have yet to open it up, so we'll be going over it together. It's got a clip so you can clip it onto your bag. It's also got a key ring in case you want a more secure way of carrying it around. It's got this geoprint, which I have another item right there with the geoprint, and I just absolutely love it because it reminds me of little Smurf hats. I know that's not their intention, but that's why I love it. Okay, let's get into it. It's got this nice pull tab, and it says Coach on the zipper. If we can get that to clear, I don't think we can, but it says it. And then we'll open it up and see what's inside. Okay, let's see. Care instructions, not important. Golf balls, the important stuff. And wrapping, because I guess they are fragile. Okay. Well, thank you, Coach. I still love you. Get rid of all that. Price tag. Woo! Doggy. Okay, get rid of that. Get rid of that. Okay. Alright. Let's act like I just opened it. Here we go. We've got some golf balls. These are Coach golf balls. So, if you really want to impress your friends out there on the links, I think they call it links. Sorry, down in the comments if I messed that up, help my vocabulary. But they, you know, I haven't handled many golf balls, but for some reason I don't feel like these feel like high-end golf balls. I mean, they could be. If you've used a Coach golf ball before, let me know if it's on par with some of the better ones. But I don't think I'll be using these. These are mainly just for aesthetics. And it comes with a total of 3. So you get 3 Coach golf balls. And you get the absolute beautiful case. Now, if you're like me and you're not a golfer, well, this case has just become one of many, many uses. Watch my review video on cosmetic cases. You can kind of see one of them there, the other one there. And that will talk about how you can use a small case like this, especially with a quick clip-on. You can use it for, like I wear different colored earrings to match my suits. You can keep your earrings in here. You can keep your keys in here if you're on vacation or whatever. Loose change. This would be actually, let me set these golf balls down. This would be an excellent change purse to keep in the car. And instead of just tossing them in your center console, you could keep this around. And once it gets full, I mean, depending on if you're working with copper or silver, you're going to have quite a few dollars in here, and you can go to the change machine. I'm not going to go over everything you could put in it. Use your imagination. It's quite spacious. I would say it's about 5 inches long. I'd say 2.5, 3 deep. And you can do quite a bit with this if you're not a golfer. I just love the print and anything Coach. So let's see, does it says Coach on the little clip here, and that's about it for this review. I hope you enjoyed hanging out in my closet. I'm Travis, and I'll see you later. Bye. Hi guys, quick announcement. I now have a Tumblr and an Instagram. You can find me at Travis WTMC. That's Travis WTMC. come over, drop a like, follow me. I'll be doing updates when I'm not doing posts, and I think I'm going to move Suit of the Day over to that instead of taking up time in the reviews. Anyways, thanks again. Oh, and Gunner, this is Gunner. Moo. Oh, this is Moo. All right, guys. Thank you for your time. Thank you, honey. Bye.